Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Hairvivi unit for you guys, and you guys know Hairvivi is always working on creating new ways for you to wear your units. That's one thing I always give them. So today's unit is no different. They have a new cap construction for their units that's supposed to make it a lot easier for you to wear it without having to glue it down. So this is their new fitted glueless wig, and this unit is basically created with a wig cap that's supposed to be a lot more defined so that it allows you to wear it. And the issue that you always have, like especially if the unit doesn't have any elastic band, where like the lace in the front won't exactly lay flush on the head. So they've been working to redesign the wig cap so that when you apply the unit, it will lay flat on your head, thus requiring that you don't need to glue it down. So I'm just opening in the packaging for the first time. I haven't taken a look at it. So really quickly, before I actually put the wig on with the hair, is I'm going to try on the different cap constructions just so you guys can get an idea of the difference that this new unit will give you. Okay, so this is a typical wig cap that most wigs have. So when you place the wig on your head, the wig cap will fit like this, right? So this looks pretty familiar. This is pretty standard. This is how most of the wig caps fit. And now I'm going to show you the difference in their new wig cap. So this is the new wig cap that Hairvivi has, and this is how their new wig cap will fit. Okay, so right off the bat, I could already see that right here in the front where the lace is laying a lot more flush as opposed to sticking out on the side. So that's a good thing. Okay, so I can see a difference between the difference in the wig cap, but of course it'd be better for me to go ahead and try the unit on just so I can see the difference with the actual hair attached. Okay, so you guys can see the difference within how this lace is laying. Look at it. It's not like sticking up this way. It's literally molding to my forehead. And it's molding on the sides. Would you look at that? That's pretty dope. I do love that about Hairvivi. They're always like looking for ways to perfect, even though their units are already like hands down one of the best, still always looking for ways to make it even better. Okay, so let's talk about the lace. You guys already know Hairvivi lace. One of my favorite. You might click on this video and not even realize that I have a lace on. You know what I'm saying? Because that's just how clear it is. This is what Hairvivi is known for, having the bomb natural hairline and the beautiful lace. And you already know their quality is A1 as well. Aside from my stocking cap in the back, this this wig really looks like I'm ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. So dolls, this is what the unit looks like after I cut the lace. And as you can see, I applied some of my wax stick to the front perimeter of the hairline as well as along the parting space. Then I used some of my root touch up just to clean that line up. And this is straight out the box, dolls. This is straight out the box. These are the curls that it came with. I didn't even throw in a curl. And as you guys can see, it is not stuck to my head at all. Now I am going to go ahead and add just some little baby hairs on the side because that's just my preference. Maybe add a curl or two, even though I might not need to. Oh, I love Hairvivi hair. Their hair is so bomb. Okay guys, so I'm finally done. Long overdue, held up by the baby hairs, but I did want to do baby hairs because that is something that I struggle with. Even though I'm not the biggest baby hair fan, I do want to master that. So anything I struggle with, I challenge myself to keep at it until I get it done. And that's the same thing I be telling you guys about installing your units, but I digress. It's not preaching hour. As you guys can see, this is the new fitted glueless wig. This hairline is remarkable, typical Hairvivi fashion. Can tell that this unit is layered. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what it looks like from the back. Now, Hairvivi didn't want me to glue this unit down, so it's still glueless-ish. As you guys may have seen, I did spray a little bit on the ends because I knew I was going to do the sideburns. I really should have sprayed up here where I did this other swoop of baby hair, because if you ever try to lay down some baby hairs and the lace is not laid down, you're swooping, it's pushing the lace back. It's a mess. It's really part of what delayed me, but I digress. As you can see, this is the hairline. It still lifts up. Okay. Nice and neat. So it's super beginner friendly for all of you guys who just don't want to bother laying down your units. As always, everything used in this video as well as links to purchase this unit will be provided in the description box down below. But of course guys, make sure you stay tuned for the outfit of the day, and I'm gonna need y'all to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. And for all my dolls who participated in the giveaway for last week's video, after you finish watching, be sure and head over to the other video and see if your name was selected. And congratulations to the winner. And of course guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that you can see all my latest content. As always, until next time, you guys stay blessed, and if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.